Make a double ear knot. Twist for 3-finger wide bubbles. Wrap it around the double ear knot. Deflate the excess balloon, but don't cut it off, leaving a long tail. Inflate a 5-inch round balloon and tie a knot. Wrap the balloon nozzle around the double ear knots. Using the black long tail we just left to tie the red balloon on. Now let's make the eyes. Tie a knot in the middle of the yellow 260 balloon. Inflate both ends separately.